how can I change this to this? So you've joined me today, guys, just before Easter, and to be honest, I'm in a bit of a panic because there is so much to do. But one of my favourite things to do is to lay the table for the big meal on Easter Sunday. So join me and let's take a look at how I put together my tablescape ready for Easter. So our dining room table is currently set up for 4 people, but there will be a total of 8 people for the big meal on Easter Sunday, so I need to get it extended. Thanks very much. And so we're set up for 6 people. We do need 2 more chairs for young members of the family, so we'll be adding a chair here and here. So my first decision is to decide which tablecloth. So I have 2 here, one cream and it's a cotton material. I actually bought this from Spain and it has a lovely design on it. So that is one of my favourite tablecloths. Or I have this white, pretty shiny, I think it's made of polyester tablecloth that I got from Amazon. Both are nice, but I think the white may possibly go better with the rest of the decor that I have. Let me know in the comments below, which would you go for? Would you go for the cream or would you go for the white? And here is the final result. I'll just give you a run through my tablescape ready for Easter Sunday. So the runner came from Home Goods a few years back now, and I really like this runner because it's reversible, so you can have it sort of spring or summer, and it comes with placemats as well, but there are only 4 of those unfortunately, so not ideal for our 8 place setting for Easter this time. Just to explain the setup here, the bottom plate acts as the platter. The next plate up is the dinner plate, in which people serve from a buffet style type of meal that I have all set up in the kitchen. People can then help themselves to the food that they like, because there's not really much room on this table to actually get any sort of plates of meat and vegetables, so that's why the second plate really is for people to serve themselves, as I say, in the buffet style. I just thought this looks a bit plain to me. I've forgotten something. Let's add a serviette. Oh yes, that's better. And who can resist Jemima Puddle Duck and of course Peter Rabbit. The dessert bowl will be for chocolate cake, cream and probably strawberries, and the martini glass I'm going to serve a prawn cocktail in there. Hiding behind the serviette is a cute little bunny, one of two bunnies on the table here that my granddaughters will adore. They both came from Home Goods. And here's the other adorable little bunny. The flatware is just used for special occasions. It really is quite beautiful. And this was a purchase in the UK. Can't actually remember where I bought it now. I bought it a long time ago, but it generally comes out for special occasions, Christmas, Easter, and also probably Thanksgiving as well. So this is the position that I'll take up on Easter Sunday. I'm closest to the kitchen door so that I can sort out the food and serve people. I'll probably remove the flowers. I've just realised I won't be able to see one of my granddaughters, so that's okay, they can be removed, no problem. But I just wanted to share with you these beautiful little candle holders that I bought from at home a couple of Christmases ago actually. They do look Christmassy, but I think they also look good at Easter as well. I think it goes with the gold on the eggs. And now we come to the centrepiece of the table. So these faux flowers mostly come from Pop Shelf, and they do look very sort of Eastery and festive, so I think we'll all enjoy those. And the eggs, they come from Dollar Tree, and I bought those about 3 years ago, and they're still going strong. I think they came in a pack of 5. So there was gold, pale pink, darker pink, yellow, and this teal colour. So we've now come to the end of this video, and I just wanted to thank you for joining me and watching me put together my Easter Sunday tablescape. Take care and bye for now.